Welcome to, well, the most favorited place for foreigners, probably in all of the Philippines, Angeles City. And my friends here have rented probably the nicest rental house that I've ever seen, especially for the money. You're gonna be blown away by this. The price is 60,000 pesos a month. So just over $1,000. I'll make sure it's down below, but it is unbelievable. It's absolutely enormous and you're gonna be blown away. To give you an idea, you can see here, they have huge walls on the outside going in, and we're 5 kilometers from Walking Street. Right away, take a look at this huge compound. Let me lock the door here for a minute. Take a look at this compound. It's enormous. This is like having a mini resort for a home. First off, he's got his massive speaker system here so that he can play pretty much anything, anywhere, and it drowns out any sounds that might come from the neighborhood. If somebody's having karaoke, he can beat them. No problem whatsoever. He got his new pool robot there recently. As you can see, right away, look at this. Waterfall feature on this side of the pool. This side is like an endless pool, so that's the actual skimmer as it falls down into the other side. This side flows over to here and goes over there. Him and his son absolutely love this and spend a lot of time. They sit outside a lot, as you can imagine. Who wouldn't? Well, look at that. I'm hoping I can get the right kind of light on it so you can see that the flow of the waterfall is so great. Just listening to this is fantastic. So nice, so nice. And that on the other side of them is not a person's home. That's like a convenience store. And so they have no actual neighbors over there other than a convenience store behind that wall. But you never hear them. I've been here a couple days now, never hear anything. And those vents there, they're actually really high up. They let him go up, and it's a stock room above it. And it's like 12 feet up in the air, and they're on this angle. So you'd have to be like 16 feet up and look in. It would just be impossible. So he has entire privacy when it comes to that, no problem. He came with these, but he never uses them. He's like, God, these aren't very safe. So, you know, you get in them and you do this. So yeah, he doesn't use that. You got the pool pump room is over here. He's got a shower over here. Over here, you got a full CR change room sort of thing. And it's very nice. They have a light here. Yeah. Yeah, it's decent. It's nice. And then I'm going to take you this way first, then we're going to go back the other way. So you can see here they got lots of seating areas. These are extremely heavy to move, that kind of thing, so they're not going anywhere. They don't flip over in the wind or anything like that. This huge tree, and at night he has all these lanterns that light up. It looks so pretty in here at night. You have a nice little seated hammock here, and then a real hammock right over there. He's got his barbecue for grilling. Another picnic area over here. This, he's not sure. He just puts the sprinkler there and go around. He's not sure whose idea this was and what the plan was, but it is what it is. He has, of course, another gate here, so you can pull in here, and that way you never have to back out of anything, and then he just goes out that way. So it's nice having 2 gates. He's actually considering putting electric operators on that one also, as well. So that would be cool for them. They can just press a remote and in they go. And it's where they hang the laundry here and everything. The road is lower, so actually nobody can see in. Even though it looks like it's my eye level, it's not when you're down at the road. You're actually quite a bit higher. So this is that laundry room. We're going to show you that quick. Plus they have their man gate here. We can go in and out. Right now we just have it unlocked because she's taking her son to school. And but yeah, you just reach in and then you can unlock your padlock. And there's their laundry machine right there and their laundry sink. Isn't this amazing? Like, can you believe it? Look, everything I knew about rentals or thought of costs of rentals and everything kind of goes throwing right out of the building right there, because I never expected you could get this kind of craziness for 60K a month here in the Philippines. Now, he did go to multiple other places before choosing this one, and some of them were brand new homes, and he's like, yeah, this is the level you can expect here in Angeles City for this kind of money. So it's not a one-off, it's not a, you know, he got super lucky or anything like that. It's not like that at all. So really nice. So yeah, this is the alcove here where they can sit out, especially if it's going to rain or something. Got a fan there with a light, and then their karaoke machine, or videoke I should say, because yeah, they actually do like singing videoke. And straight through, you can open all these doors and go straight through to the back. It's really pretty. All right, let me show you the inside, and then I'm going to show you the bonus house at the end. Inside the house, look at this place. Absolutely enormous living room. I love the furniture. Look at his TV. I believe he said it's 86 inches. And that's as big as I've ever seen myself on a TV. Nice ceilings, everything. This is so nice in here. Where should I go first? Let's go up here first. So the toy room they set up over here. I'm not sure what you would use this room for otherwise, but it's working out great for their son's toy room. Amazing. They have this bedroom they use as like laundry, ironing, that kind of thing, and even luggage storage. More toys, of course, and tons of closet space over here, and air conditioning. Then I'm staying in this one. So this is their spare bedroom. It's pretty simple. Everything you need though. Got a mirror in there and everything, and lots of cupboards. It's got its own CR with a shower and everything. It's probably a mess. My stuff. Yeah. Hot water heater. You know, it's got everything. Then down here, we'll go to this way. So he put this curtain up here just because it helps with the air conditioner, because he's got three of them in here. I think one's like a 3-horse and then two horses, something like that. And you can see they have all their shoes here, just storage, Christmas tree, that kind of stuff, some tables. They have another CR here, but it's just a toilet with the nozzle and nothing else, just a basic one. So I guess this was a maid's quarters, would be my guess. And then also in here, so the maid could have the bed in here and this be like a living space, but they don't have a maid. So let me turn on a light in here. As you can see, his buy-in boxes were quite full. So he was able to bring all of his stuff. So they got a printer in here. He's got his crazy CCTV. He's got a great system. He can see everything at any time, everywhere. Yeah, he's got his tool chest here full of tools. He's got all the DeWalt stuff, everything. He brought everything with him, and he does most things himself. He's got lots of helmets here and everything. He's got a good spot. So he's got his own little tool shed area. I don't think I've ever opened this since I've been here. No. Oh, the laundry area. Yeah. All right, let's go back to the kitchen and dining room. Okay, so this is interesting because it keeps going. You'll see there's a staircase there. So here's our dining area with a patio going out the back as well. They don't really use it though, because they have a patio also at the front, as you saw, with their karaoke machine. But yeah, they got the table here, and the kitchen is fantastic. It's really big. They even have this like natural light there. And then you'll notice there is an opening right up there, right? With a railing. And we're gonna show you that in a minute. But yeah, to give you an idea, kitchen is fantastic. They've got their water cooler and everything they need. A really nice fridge, unbelievably nice fridge. This will take you out towards the pool and everything else that's going on out there. They've got a gas stove here with propane. They even made me some bacon. I haven't eaten that yet. So it's really nice. Lots and lots of space for everything they need. But before we go up there, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Master bedroom. Their son is until whatever age they decide. I believe he's just turning 6 now, and they still prefer him to be close, so they can always keep an eye on him. AC unit that they put in there. He replaced them all himself, so he didn't plan to go anywhere. He loves this house. But yeah, so this is their huge bed. Nice sized TV in here. I think it's like 50-inch or something like that. Little extra security is just sitting right here, just waiting. I wouldn't mess with him anyway. He was a military police army, so he's been in many war zones. Beautiful, beautiful bathroom. You got a good sized bathtub there, a separate shower area with, of course, the hot water heater, and he's even got the massage style shower head. There you go. It's just a single sink, but that's good use of space anyway. And then all of these right here with the mirrors built right in with all the cupboards. It's nice. Oh, I didn't even notice. It's like the low style. Interesting. Okay, so there you go. That's this part, right? Now I'm going to show you something they do not use, but it is all the way up that spiral staircase. They have no need for this, but this would have been an amazing loft. It gets hot up here, to be honest, though. So you get shelving units up there and everything. You could air condition it if you want, but if you did, you're gonna lose it, because look. You got the soffit system right there, so you can see right down outside. And probably a good reason why he spends 20,000 pesos a month on electricity, to be honest. Big windows there also, and on this side. But yeah, you have a whole loft area here. If he wanted, he could deal with that soffit issue himself. He's got more attic storage over there. But yeah, he could deal with that. He's a very handy person, so if he really wanted to, he could, but he's like, he had no use for this space whatsoever. Okay, so back over here to the pool side, we're gonna go to the bonus house. And so you can go there right from the kitchen, which is right here. It has its own lockable gate if you want to have your own like separate entrance for it. And here you go. You're gonna be blown away. This is unbelievable. You got a whole outdoor kitchen here, and right outside of their dining room, that was that area, but it has a lockable gate there. So they made this so that it could be a whole entire different business or an Airbnb, whatever, but it comes included with their 60,000 pesos. So you could have it filled with staff or whatever you want to do. Got a basketball court in here, nice tree with the lights and everything. And take a look at this place. You're going to be quite shocked. I think it's a 45-gallon water tank with a pressure tank. It's really big. You have storage on both sides of here. Don't even know if they're open. Oh yes. So right here is where he stores. It is a bathroom, but he doesn't use it for that. He just has all his weed whacking stuff and trimmers and his lawnmower. Blower, leaf blower, that kind of thing. All of that, he's just using that for his, because he doesn't need all this space. And then you have another washroom here, exactly the same as that one, but for ladies. You have a storage space right under here where there's spare tiles and different parts that the house used. He keeps stored in there, even an old lawnmower that you do by hand. All right, and get ready for this. This is so cool. And he's renovating it actually right now, doing some work on it. A little dark in here. So there you go. So he's gonna redo all this with putty, sand it down, paint it and everything. Look at the box for that TV. 85 inches, it was right. His old rims from his truck and everything. But right now, like you can see, this would make a great apartment. He doesn't even need to do much work, to be honest. Like he's just doing that for aesthetic reasons, but most people would leave it. Room for an air conditioner right over there. And then the bathroom, he was like gonna come in here with some acid and stuff and clean this whole thing up. Bathroom, sink, shower, and toilet, no problem. And probably change out a window in there if you're gonna air condition it and do the roof. That's it. So he's got an amazing full-on apartment with its own separate entrance and all that stuff at the back there. They'll still have to go through your property to get out, but still, that's pretty amazing. So how crazy incredible is this house? Like, this is the dream kind of house that you would want to have. And he even said, like, if I could pick this house up and drop it like right on a beach side somewhere where, you know, right behind that wall was a beach, or I could have a short wall with a beach. He's like, there would be zero things he could even think of. But that's all he has is like, if I could just put this on a beach. But otherwise, like, seriously, let me know in the comments. What do you think of this? Talk about value, right? Is that a good value? Do you think this is a good value? This is like having a mini resort as a home, and they absolutely love living here. They do plan to renew again, and the owner's been, you know, super nice and super cool with them. And honestly, they've done a really good job. They took care of everything. He does have Starlink on the roof there, so he has Starlink internet here, and he's just living his best life. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this Angeles City, gorgeous, beautiful house. I don't know what else to say. Like, it's just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I want to live here. I want to live here. My gosh. All right, guys. Hope you're clicking like and subscribe and share it or do whatever. I love you all very much, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.